Hey everybody. So remember this Blackhawk holster that in my previous videos I was having issues with fitment using Shadow Systems DR920? Well, the issue was the retention screw was too tight. This was a Glock holster, Glock 17. This is a clone, so there are some differences, and I was blaming it on those differences why this didn't work. But look at that. Retention, easy in, easy out. It was just retention was set too tight. Glock 17. You hear it click. Hear it click. DR920 war poet. Look at that. Beauty. Works like a charm. Got the comp on it. Still fits. You got this indexing point for your trigger finger, so when you come out, you're up on the frame. You don't go to the trigger. Beauty. Works great now. So this is the Blackhawk T2 weapon light Glock 17 holster. Works with Glock 17, 22, 31 with TLR 7 or 8 lights. This is the TLR 7 HL-X. So it will work with Shadow Systems. Oops, wrong one. And regular Glock. So it will probably work with any Glock clone, but I know it works with the Shadow System DR920 and the Glock 17, which is what it's designed for. Probably work with, I wonder if it would work with a 19 or a 45. I don't know. I don't have either of those. But this will get the job done. Hope that helps.